niyayidayisa ingquza ne and angisho ukuthi abantwana beni mabadayisa ingquza. I want to make this clear. If ungumntana and you're under age, ngicela uye esikolweni. Official teacher uyile esikolweni wa graduate in computer science in record time. So ngithi kuwe ngidayisa ingquza because I need to make a living, not because I'm saying I'm encouraging impilo yokudayisa ingquza. I need to make this clear to everyone. Mina official teacher, it's a personal decision ukuthi ngifuna ukudayisa ingquza because I cannot be. Actually mina angeke ngihlupheke. Angeke ngihlupheke emhlabeni. Since I'm hungry, I'm living in poverty, it can never happen. And I made a conscious decision ukuthi ngizodayisa ingquza. I'll do whatever it takes for me to make money. But I'm not saying abantwana benu mabadayisa ingquza. I'm not saying abantwana benu must follow me, guys. I am not anyone's role model. I need to make it clear because I am living my life. I am not planning on being any child's role model. I'm not even a role model ekhaya. So why should I be your child's role model and live morally? No. I mean, I'll do whatever it takes for me to make money. Thank you very much. Ngifuna ukutrenda and mangitrenda ngithola ama clients. Thing is ngiyasazi story sami. I know what I do. I know what I have to offer. So uma ufuna ukungitrendisa nje uzongitrendisa, but I know ukuthi from that trending ngizothola ama clients. Yami ingquza ngendlela enhle ngayo chom. Ungayibona ufuna ukuyitaste. Ungayibona ufuna ukuyitaste. That's how good I am. Ungabona the things that I do kuma video call. Trust me chom, bazofuna ukuza. So anyone often won't trend this, I really do not mind because bazongilethela ama client. Like I genuinely don't care. It's not like uzoqala ubona ingquza ngami. And what I like about le yami ukuthi yindle. Uzofuna ukuyitaste. So uzongilethela ama client. Yabona? So I'm not I sleep at night. I don't care. Thing is, now nganandaba nabantu. You can conquer the world. You can literally conquer the world because there's nothing that's going to stop you. But the moment you care, you're limited. Official teacher, you should be mindful of the kind of content or post on TikTok. Guys, number one, I don't owe you shit. I don't give a shit about your kids. I mean, if secondly, there's this thing called the parental control. You control what your kids are saying. If you are working, how much more the other content, nasty content that is on the internet? Keep your kids off the internet and then you'll have good children. Because in a sense, it's because of official teaching. Now I want to take the blame to official teaching. If you raised your kids morally, there's no need for them to learn from me. Sangi role model abantwana beni manje. Sangi influence botala lami nebantwana beni. Musa ngihlanyela nini? Uzanje ungitshela umdzidzi. Awona mina angivani ukukhuluma ka TikTok. I'm a very peaceful person, but nyona ngitshela umdzidzi. Libolo leli ngitshela lona. I think the most dangerous thing about me and the most thing that threatens people is the mere fact that I don't care. And it bothers people because they're like, how could you say that in a public platform? How could you say that? Guys, I don't care. And I am a threat. I know a lot of you guys hate me for that. She should be ashamed of herself. She should not be comfortable in saying such things. It's because I don't care. I don't live for people. I mean, I live for me. I'm happy. And you can't comprehend that. Official teacher doesn't care about you guys. No, I'm not trying to block the account and continue with my life. I just don't care about you guys. I'm Nazi. I don't owe you shit. As long as I'm living my life and I'm not bothering anyone and I'm ropu I'm kali mundu, I don't care about you. You are bothered by me and you are threatened by my confidence. No, guys, I'm going to feature me Sisilana Usiming Ngulazi. What's the reason? Why? It's because I want to spread the ngulazi. I want to spread the ngulazi. That's why ngidayisa ingquza. Nginayo vele. Nginayo. And because uthi ubone ukuthi nginayo before shy spoon siyayithestela. Before shy spoon siyayithestela. Sitestela onke ama diseases. Okay. So we are ngizothenga ngulazi. It's not like it's nzofa and stuff. It's not like it's nzofa and stuff. Man tell ngulazi and just like a flu. Just not tell about ARV will be right. I get a chop. Guys, I shouldn't be laughing, but yeah, because I'm just chilled. I can't get official teacher la ku TikTok. Ugeli ngikhulumela nje bonke abazali bakwethu. Abantwana abanamafoni
and bawuvulile banama TikTok account, and phezu kokuba nama TikTok account benza lama dance challenge la yenzeka every day. Hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe benza ngenye like for bayibukela nje TikTok, but ugirl wrong. Angikho against lento yakhe ukuthi uyadayisa wara wenzani impilo yakhe umzimba wakhe, but lento ukuthi advertise sinabantu. Kusengikhulumela umuntu onomntwana umntwana one TikTok account njengamanje mayibona le lama video kalogel, cause ugel ukhuluma ngengcuza, ukhuluma ngombhejo, ukhuluma ngokuthi yena ngalona mahala uyakhokhelwa. Hayibo siyayibonga content yakho bakwethu. Ngeke abanye banabantwana la, and ingane ezinye ziba namafoni zina 13. Usho ukuthi ingane izoyibona into enhle lento akayenzayo. No, TikTok angadalelwanga lento. Uyabo mase udalela ukuthi uzo advertise abantu abathengisayo. Hayi ngeke sekuyanyukela. Hayi official. Hayi wethishela. Stop ngeke kehle. Khona abantwana bana 13 la abazelelele lezi ngome abayidansela lama challenge abadanselayo. So please uTikTok if uzoqhubeka wandisa abantu abanje shuthi sisazolibona lukhulu phela. Sisazolibona kakhulu. Akhona ama app afanele lezo zinto siyacela nje ukuthi ngathi ungaya khona impela. Ngathi ungaya khona. Phela abanye abantu ba easy influencer ba easy, and abantwana ke bancane ukuthi bengalaleli lo dodo ushoyo. Hayi ukubola khohlakala. Content yakho mayibe ngenye into bakwethu. Hayi ngokuthi wena ukhuluma nje ngombhejo uthi kwenzakaleni vele. Uthi kwenzakaleni cause ingane zina ama TikTok account. Uthi zithini ngalento ekhuluma umdala. Sabazali bakwethu. Hayibo ngeke khuzeka. Abanye abantwana bazoyibona i-right lonto leyo ukuthi abanye abanamsebenzi ke phezulu kwalokho bazoyibona i-right lento oyenzayo. Akabhene please, ngicela nje siyeni sonke lo yagel mela bheni account yakhe. Hayibo abantwana ekhona ugel obizwa ngo-official teacher la ku TikTok. Ugeli
ngingakugcaba TikTok wenyoko kantswa kini TikTok asowa kini TikTok yabo le platform le kuthiwa freedom of speech lento le ngendaba. Wena raise your kids right morally. There's no need for me to act right for your kids. What I mean? Do I even know your fucking kids? That's for starters. Second, not even I try parental control, which I practice, which you have no idea of. Well, and just self. You control what audience yakho toba age group lenganani. So they just blabbing awat no tukhuluma ngani. Kanje TikTok wakini funa control. There's freedom of speech for a reason. If ufuna kutshela abantu ngidayisa ingozi ngizobatshela abantu ngidayisa ingozi, and your kids should learn from you. Set the example. Be the example that you want me to be for your kids. Mina nginamntana mina. If I wanna say ngidayisa ingozi and post ukuthi ngidayisa ingozi, guys bantu ingozi. Bantu ingozi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, guys. Yabona Mzansi Gashuba Goshubile actually, because what else are these? Kesana bona yalo bana bathengisa ikhememe abasakhulumi emakhoneni banda basafihle umuntu sokhuluma mba umuntu atholela ama customers lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana umuntu advertise business yakhe lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana athole ama customer and uyashokela ukuthi the more trend lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana it's the more athola ama custom, and she's making a good decent money kesana ngokuthengisa ingquza. Uyasho nje ukuthi akana mahloni akana nzaba, she doesn't even care what people say. Ngisho abantu bamdreka lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana bamkhuta bathofundisa abantwana ukukhohlakala uthena yena wenda imali and akananzaba yena akanamntwana khiphe nje indzabeni teni ukuthi abantu abeni batokhula banjani uthi bantwana banemafoni now they are exposed to a lot of things uthi yena nje na wenda imali the more trender the more uwathola ini ma-customer. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Qabangani ngebantu bokuthengisa ikhememe ba-advertise lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana. Mina nawe sidobonana next time. Goodbye.